Hi folks, gonna do a little bit of a cook up. We're gonna have sausages and mushroom sauce for dinner tonight. We're out of Copetown and we're gonna do the sausages in the air fryer. We've done it a couple of times now and they've turned out perfect. We've used Aldi sausages, they're beef and honey, beautiful. Anyway, we'll give it a go and see how they turn out tonight. We usually set it on about 190 and give it 15 minutes. Half time, give it a bit of a swish around and they come out delicious. Alright, the tray just needs a little bit of oil, stop them from sticking, not much. Go back over. Sausages in there. Right, in she goes, hangs on. We'll go 190 and 15 minutes. Stop halfway and we'll see how we go. Right, we ran down about 10 minutes there, so if you just give them a bit of a turn over. There's no sticking to them or anything, they're nice. You can give them a bit extra if you want and crunch them up. That looks pretty good to me. Right. Door up, 190 degrees, and I think we've got about 5 to go. Well, here we go, we're at Copetown Dam and we're just going to make up some mushroom gravy to have with our sausages. We've got 3 shallots, don't know how many mushrooms, fair few mushrooms. And Pauline's just added 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of plain flour, and I've got to stir it up. It's starting to look a bit yucky, isn't it? Been instructed to turn it down. Now we're adding 1 cup of vegetable stock or chicken stock. Chicken stock. Keep stirring, otherwise she'll go lumpy.
That's right.
Pretty good, doesn't it? That's Pauline's feet there. She had her toes done before we went away. Well, that's starting to thicken now. Pauline's got a little jar of parsley. Fresh would be nice, but when you're on the road, granulated stuff, she's going to put a bit of that in. Oh, look at that smell, mate. That'll do. It's pulled up there. Let's have a look and see what that looks like. Well, what do you think of them for sausages? Does that look alright? Looks good to me. no mess. Ready to go.